Hi guys, I'm back at you with another video on drywalling, but this time we're looking at the drywall tear and how to fix it and the do's and the don'ts. So before we start, why don't you hit the subscribe button so you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're aware every time I upload. So let's get started. So guys, I just wanted to give you a variation of products that you're able to use. So this has been by Zinner, and this is a recommended one that I would use, and that is because it is something that you can saturate your drywall tear with, opposed to the upshot, which is sprayed, and you're not going to be sure whether or not that the product is penetrating the drywall tear, and that's what you need. So this is the one that I'm going to be using. You can pick this up from Home Depot, and I believe it was $26 without the tax. And because I have some other things that I'm going to be using with it, I think that small can, which I would, for my own recommendation, I think they should have a smaller can, about that small, because this one's really actually way too big for just the average home. Guys, here are two things that may happen. One, and this is the easiest one, is that maybe you might have nicked your drywall mud just a little bit too deep. You see that? But all you have to do is mud that. That's going to be no problem. Now this part here is the actual tear to the drywall, and you do not want to mud over top of it. Mud creates moisture and it may make the drywall paper buckle, and we don't want that. So I'm going to show you guys how to solve this problem throughout your drywall if you do remove your stucco off your ceiling. And okay guys, this is a little drywall tear, but it was a little bit more, and I wanted to show you guys how I do it. I had started, and all I do is just do this. Do not take a X-Acto knife and score it, because then you're actually cutting the drywall, and that's what we're trying to alleviate. Hey guys, I'm coming at you with a question. I wanted to know, have you dealt with a drywall tear? Just comment down below and let me know so I know that we're on the same page. Okay, this should take 15 minutes to a half an hour to set. Okay guys, this is finished. Now you may notice that it's a little bit thick, but yeah, don't worry, we're not done with drywall, because look what I have to fix. I have to fix all of that. That is one coat, and I'm not sure if they used the drywall tape, but I do still have to go through the entire ceiling and fix that. So that's why that's left. So I'm going to have to level it up. I think you can see it right there. You see that? So it's going to need a thicker coat of mud over top of it. Wait a minute. Hey guys, did we just finish the drywall tear video? So what did you guys think about the video? Was it helpful to you? Now, if you want to be helpful to me, why don't you share the video with your friends and family? And also, don't forget, ask them to subscribe to my channel. I wonder next week what we're going to do. You think we're going to do another drywall video? We'll see. I'll see you guys. Have a fabulous week. God bless you. Take care.